Hi, today I'm gonna teach you how to add your blogger to your WordPress website. Let's come to the computer screen, and here in one tab I have my blog, and in another tab I have a WordPress website. So in Blogger you have to take the backup of this blogger, and for taking the backup you have to click the setting, and here in setting just scroll down, you will see here manage blog and backup content. Click here and download. You can see your blog file has downloaded, and here is it. Now I'm going to rename it like ABC. So now I will go to the dashboard of WordPress, and here you have to go to tools and import. You can see here in my case I have a blogger importer. If you do not have blogger importer, you can select the file from available options. So I'm going to run the importer, and here I have to select the file, and in my case here is the file, and I'm going to upload and import it. It's asking me about the admins, so I'm going to submit it. All done. Have fun. You can see here in post, you can see two posts are here. Now you can check posts here. So this is the way how to add your blogger to your WordPress website. Thank you very much for watching this tutorial. Keep watching the next one.